And in today's video, we decorate. What do we decorate? Well, Christmas cookies. So I saw this at the store. I got it at Target, if you're wondering. I thought this was a great opportunity for me to see how well my decorating skills are. Because I have made Christmas cookies in the past. I think it was like 2 years ago. I really miss it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me try this. Let's open the box. Okay, I opened it the wrong way. That's okay. They're so cute. Right when you open it, this is what you see. Whoa, I almost spilled it. You get some royal icing, some colored icing. We have red, green, and black. Some sprinkles. And we have the cookies. And that's it. So I think I have everything I need. I'm just gonna use what's in the box. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna go get a plate so we can get started. I got some Christmas socks. So I think I'm gonna start with the gingerbread man, maybe. He's so small. Don't know, I'm pretty limited with colors, but I'm gonna try my best. I need cookies with scissors. Let me get my scissors. So the instructions say that we need to massage the icing pouch. So let's do that. 2 hours later. I think it's ready. Starting with the gingerbread man. I'm gonna use some red for his bow tie. My hands are shaking. This is pretty difficult. There we go. Now let's use some sprinkles. Let me know in the comments, do you make Christmas cookies every Christmas? Do you decorate Christmas cookies? Do you know how? Do you not know how? Maybe this video will be helpful, although I know nothing about Christmas cookie decorating, but we will learn in the process together. So let's do his smile next. Whoa. Aww. Well, look at his smile. Isn't it perfect? Do we like his smile? Okay, let's do the eyes. He's looking pretty good. A little bit better than he was. Let's do his arms. So I just finished the first one. It was very hard to do. I think it's because of how this is made. I don't have a lot of control, but I still think it looks cute. This is what he looks like. I think he's very adorable. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But now let's do a snowman. Cute little snowman. Here is the snowman. I think it turned out really cute. I gave him a little smirk. Let me know what you think of this one. Let's do the stocking next. Stocking. I think this one is my favorite so far. This is my third one. I still have like 7 more. But what do you think? Let me know. Is this your favorite? At the end, when I'm done, rank them from your favorite to least, or your top 3. This one is definitely in my top 3. Now let's do a little gingerbread house. I think it's so cute. It's so tiny and it has a tiny little door with a tiny little chimney. Let's see how this one turns out. So I just finished the tiny little gingerbread house, and I think this one's my favorite. I know I said the stocking was my favorite, but I really love how this one turned out, and I like the little tiny heart. Next up, let's do Santa Claus. Cookies. I already went ahead and started the other one. I just did the white icing so that it dries in time. Just finished the second stocking. I really like this one as well. I did the first gingerbread man dirty, so I'm going to attempt to make the second gingerbread man a little bit better because the first one was a little rough. I mean, it was my first cookie, but still, I want to redeem myself, and I'm going to attempt another gingerbread man, and hopefully this one doesn't turn out so tipsy. I'm very nervous, but I'm gonna try my best. Maybe a little workout break, or maybe some food might help me. I've been decorating for, I think it's been like 2 hours. Time just flies so fast. I don't know any TikTok dance. I've tried, but I fail every time and I somehow mess up. So I guess TikTok break. Okay, I'm gonna get started now. I have been procrastinating. I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. Finally, I did it. Woohoo! Finished the second gingerbread man, and I think this one definitely turned out better than the first one. I think his smile is very cute. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than the first one. What do you think? Do you prefer the first gingerbread or the second gingerbread? Let me know in the comments down below. Moving on to the second gingerbread house. Is finally done. I've got a little bit of red left, and I got quite a good amount of green and black. Hopefully I won't need red that much. Let's continue with the snowman. And here's my second snowman. Santa Claus is next. I am finally all done. Really pretty. I'm so happy. Honestly, this was very relaxing to do. The only one that gave me some trouble was the gingerbread man. But apart from that, I really loved making all of them. And I thought this was very fun. Let me know if you've tried this or if you want to try this. And leave a comment down below which cookie was your favorite or which are your top 3. My top 3 are definitely this one, and this one. This one is definitely a special mention because I do think it's really cute. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I will see you in my next video.